How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the taillights on a MK4 Golf. Now today's video was requested by a viewer. Hope it's helpful to you. All you're going to need for this is a ratchet and a number 8 socket. So to start off with, just open up this panel, turn it back, and then just grab behind here, pull forward, and then just try to release this cover. And then it just peels back like so, and it just stays there, and that gives you access to the bolts at the back. Alright, so there's going to be one bolt here, one there, and one down in there. It's very difficult to see. Just get a light, hopefully you can see something there. That's the other. Alright, so grab your ratchets. Alright, so once all your screws are undone, grab a clip and undo it. Then you come out to the back, just pull that out a little there, and then just slide it to the left, and your taillight's undone. Now that your taillight's out, you can replace it with your new one. So just remember that corner goes in first in that one, and then you can just push that back in. But harness in first, position the corner, once your corner's in, you can get that back in. So I'm trying to do this with one hand and wiggle it, and it's in. So all you need to do is just do up all your screws at the back, plug in your harness, and you're done. Now the other side will be the exact same way. 3 screws, pull forward and out. I hope this video helps you out in replacing your taillights on your MK4 Golf. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more to come.